everyone, welcome back. In this video we'll be talking about different options in Azure subscription. So let's go ahead to the Azure subscription. So you can see here subscriptions option. You can click here or you can search in the search bar. So I'll just click the subscriptions here. So I have only one subscription, which is Azure Subscription 1. So let's click that. So here you can see various options where you can cancel the subscription, rename it, change directory, switch offer, transferring billing ownership. So right now it's Azure Subscription 1. You can change it by clicking change by just adding your own name that you want. So right now I'm not changing it. So just go back and let's talk about transfer billing ownership. So what is the definition of transferring billing ownership? So in Azure, it refers to the process of changing the account responsible for paying for Azure services used by an organization. So for example, when a company or organization sets up Azure subscription, the person who sets up the subscription is typically listed as a billing owner and is responsible for paying for services used. However, if that person leaves the company or if someone else needs to take over the responsibility for paying for those services, the billing ownership can be transferred to another person. So let's see how it is done. So before that, if you see here properties, so this is the Azure portal which I have created. So by default, I'll be the billing owner for this. So to change that, just a second. You have to click transfer billing ownership, and here you have to give email ID of the other person to whom you want to transfer your billing ownership. So in this case, I have just sent an email ID. I have just added the email ID. So I'll just show you like how the email looks. So I just don't want those delays. So I just added the email before. So you can see someone wants to transfer the billing ownership of this subscription to you. So only thing you have to do is, if you want, you can just accept it. So I have to just click accept, and there is few setup which it will be going through, and you have to just accept it. That's it. So however, I'll be not going into this right now. So just wanted to show you the email ID, like how it looks. So I'm just canceling that one, and you can also cancel the transfer request. So I'm just canceling because I don't need right now. So done. So if you click the ownership, okay, it's been canceling, so I think it takes some time. However, let's go back and let's check what is change directory. So if you talk about the definition in Azure, it refers to the process of switching to different Azure Active Directory tenant in which an organization has set up its Azure services. So if an organization has multiple AD tenants, it may need to switch between them to access the Azure services associated with each tenant. So this is where the change directory feature comes in. So it allows the users to easily switch to different Azure AD tenants and access the services associated with that particular tenant. So if you click that, right now I don't have any other tenants. So this is the only tenant that I'm owner of. So I couldn't see that. However, if you have any other tenants in your directory or your subdomains, you can just add it, and you can just change your directory and use those Azure services or the resources which you have used in those particular directory. So you have to just use it. I have explained this in the previous few videos, which you can check them out. And apart from this, if you talk about switch offer, so basically it's an Azure subscription which refers to the process of changing the pricing tier or the plan associated with the particular Azure services. So to change the plan, you can use that one, and canceling the subscription. If you no longer want the subscription, you can just cancel it, and you have to give a certain reason for that. So I have to just give the reason and just continue. But I just don't want right now, so I'm going back and just saying transferring bill. Let's refresh. If it goes back to the same, I just want to show you like where I gave my email ID. So if you transfer bill, okay, it's taking some time. So you have to just use there will be a prompt in which you have to give the email ID. So yeah, I hope you guys have understood the concept of today's video. If you have liked the video, please click the like button below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and please share the video. Thank you.